9 years ago when I was promoted to chief, I took an approach for reducing crime in our city by creating partnerships. And I always looked at who's the expert in that field and let's get them to be our partner. When it came to gang violence, I partnered with the FBI Safe Street Task Force, brought them in, asked them for expertise. So as the years have gone on, and fortunately 2 years ago in San Diego at IACP, I was introduced to Auror, and I learned, I had that aha moment that for reducing retail theft, reducing our petty larceny, which by the way is one of our Part 1 crimes that we measure monthly, we have to partner with the experts there, which is the loss prevention officers. They're the best at what they do, and we need to partner with them, make them a force multiplier for us. So it simply has become part of our long-term strategy that yes, we're going after the worst of the worst, the violent criminals, but we're also going after all crimes. And petty larceny, we found through discussions, with many discussions, leads to those bigger crimes. They're the facilitator for those violent crimes that are occurring in our community. And now, 2 years later, using the platform, we can actually provide data to show that, yes, there is a connection between organized retail crime, violent crime, and when we can shut down where those goods are being fenced, we can reduce violent crime in our community, and at the same time, by the way, reduce the impact on our community. Because by supporting loss prevention officers, and by then now reporting everything, we did see that 57% increase in reported petty larcenies connected to retail stores. And that's the true measure. That was a true impact on our community. It was that number, not the 57% reduced number, because that was our official. We were feeling better about ourselves when it was still happening. Correct. So now that we have a true measure of what's going on, we can address it. We can put the resources where they're needed. Not only this conversation has really spiraled into our state police now, creating a task force that we're now working with them on. So it's become, this collaboration is just growing, and it will continue to grow.